Write a letter to your friend talking to him about your studies. House number B11, 15 Ananagar, Chennai, 20 April 2020. Dear Pankaj, I am very happy to know that you have stood first in your class, scoring 90% marks. My family and I are really proud of you. You have been studying in your school for quite a few years now. I am happy that you have never stood second. My parents always scold me saying that I should not call myself your friend, as my marks in the examinations only make them fear for my future. But the story of your success doesn't end there. You are always the leader in the drama group and school games, scoring the highest points and winning so many prizes. I congratulate you and assure you that my best wishes will always be with you. Will love, your friend Ali Khan. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you.